Apple Pencil Pro includes advanced features from its predecessor models. Along with its iPad series, Apple on Tuesday also unveiled the third-generation Apple Pencil at Let Loose iPad event, which has Find My support and additional features for adapting the pen to various creative projects for more detailed creation and editing. The new Apple Pencil Pro has capabilities similar to those found on pens for specialized drawing tablets, such as a barrel roll gyroscope feature and a squeeze gesture for toggling between software tasks. Moreover, this is the first significant upgrade to the Apple Pencil series since the second-generation device debuted in 2018. Whereas the less expensive USB-C Apple Pencil released last year supported a broader range of iPad models than the Apple Pencil 2, it lacked advanced second-generation features such as pressure sensitivity and double-tap tool switching, making it less useful for graphic design and 3D sculpting. The Apple Pencil Pro includes advanced features from its predecessor, along with new ones such as a squeeze gesture similar to the stem on the Apple AirPods Pro 2. This gesture allows for quick switching between tools, colors, and line weights, as well as haptic feedback that pulses when users squeeze or double tap the stylus. However, one significant disadvantage is compatibility. The Apple Pencil Pro is only supported by the recently announced M2 iPad Air and M4 OLED iPad Pro models, meaning customers with earlier hardware will be unable to replace their stylus. Whereas the Apple Pencil Pro offers better access to software shortcuts than its predecessors, creative pros will likely find that pens on specialist drawing tablets, such as Wacom's new Moving 13, are more comfortable and customizable.